Wow, well look at this cute place. It's your quintessential East Village hideout where you have plenty of rooms. I think you have 3 actual different bedrooms potentially, a living room space, and a pretty decent kitchen, lots of cabinet space. So let's see if we can take a walk around here. I really like the pretty window transom up there, which goes into the one room that's sort of separated from the rest of the apartment. So if somebody's a bit of a hermit, this is a good room. It's got a nice bright window into what, I don't know if that's a community garden, it might be, or the backs of some garden, restaurant, building, who knows. Looking east, there you have that lovely little transom as well, as a fan, and some dimmer switches so you can get your lights, sort of the fan and the lights get dimmed or otherwise. And then of course the next room here is I would say this is a living room. You have space for a little couch, TV, maybe a little table over there by the stove, but then very decent gas range, stainless steel, dishwasher, sink, not huge, but it'll do, and well, for some people, and a good big refrigerator and cabinets. Look at this. You've got big windows in here so that you can ventilate, but not really a lot of views in here, so this is mainly for cooking, living, watching TV, etc. And then we go down, we've got a little, you can let your people in, got a coat hook for your coats, and you're only 1 flight up from the street. Beautiful corner in the East Village, an amazing restaurant, and not too far from the train, I guess it's the L train on 1st and 14th. Very bright bathroom, full tub, pretty standard tub, bathroom window, and some nice details here on the sink. It's a pedestal sink. And it comes with a toilet, look at that. As we go down the hallway here, here's another room. So that would be, I would say, bedroom number 2. It does have a window, but this one is fairly dark. Quiet room. These all have AC shafts, so if you did want a really powerful AC, which I don't think you need anything that powerful for these rooms, you put it through the wall. You have outlets here in the hallway. It's a lovely little curved hallway, and then you get into the master bedroom. So this is a very bright, very spacious bedroom, not as quiet obviously as the others, because you're on a side street. People are celebrating, there are restaurants, and yeah, you're in a closet in here, so it appears the bedrooms have closets. But it is a very nice room. And it's a sunny day in New York. Some of the trees here have lost their leaves. And there are restaurants down here. Sorry, it's a little bright for this camera. But there you have it. A lovely little apartment in the East Village. Christopher Butt with the Corcoran Group. 917-721-0202. You could call me or anyone on my team. Laura Greco is handling this one. So you could always reach out to her, to me, or anyone else, we would all be happy to help you. 917-721-0202.